So I found a tool that lets you create AI videos totally for free, and most people don't even know about it yet. No subscription fees, no card details, everything is completely free. So stick around to the end so you don't miss anything. And while you're watching, do well to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If it's your first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Zolapo, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking. I do appreciate all your support. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions. So let's get into it. Open your browser and type this in your Google search. Just type Google Vids. And this is what you're going to see. And then you click on this one, the one that has this sign in. Click on it, and then you're going to see something like this. You're going to click on video 3.1. 3.1, and this is how the interface looks like, right? So on this side of the page, where we have AI video clip, then we have the video model selected here. We have video 3.1. So if you click on it, that's the only model we have as at now. So leave it at video 3.1. Then right here, we have two options. We have create from scratch. That is, you generate a video from text and images, and then we have animate an image. So now let's try out this create from scratch. We're going to click on it, and right here you see this box where you can specify or put in your prompt. So we're going to have the prompt that we will use to create our video. We're doing text to video right now. So I pasted the prompt right here. And then this part where we have the aspect ratio, I have landscape. I'm going to leave it at landscape. You can choose portraits depending on the type of video you want to create. And then we'll just click on generate. As you can see, guys, it's done generating. And let's see what we've got.
Don't look back, just keep running. It's still right behind us.
Wow, you can see how lovely this is. We're going to try out the second option, which is animate an image. For this one, you already have your images, right? And you want to animate them. So you change it to animate an image and then click right here to add your image. So I'm going to try out with this particular image. Clicking on this one. All right, so it has loaded the image, and right here, the same aspect ratio of the image is what you're going to specify. This image is a landscape aspect ratio, that's 16:9. So I'm going to put it on 16:9, and then I'm going to put the prompt right here. Once you paste your prompt right here, just hit generate.
Mommy, I will miss you. My darling, we will always keep in touch.
That's about 8 seconds. So if you want to extend your video, you want to create more scenes, just go ahead and keep putting your prompt. For this particular scene, I want to extend it. So all I did was to paste the prompt. It's just a continuation of what happened in the previous scene. And then I hit generate. Okay, now let's take a look at what we got.
But mommy, you cannot compare that with seeing every day. Don't worry, we will adjust, my baby girl.
All right, and that's that. This is so lovely. So on this platform, you have access to unlimited video generation. Unlimited video generation. Now let's say you start getting notifications that you can no longer generate. All you need to do as usual is to switch accounts, right? Switch to another account, and then you continue your video generation. And one thing about this platform is you can edit all your clips right on this platform. You don't have to start saving your videos one after the other and probably taking them to CapCut or other video editing tool to edit your video. What you just need to do is to come to this site. Let's say this is the first clip. Click on insert, and it's going to place it right here, right, as a first clip. And you can see that the duration of this particular clip is 8 seconds, which video 3 normally gives. So now let's say we have the second clip created. So just tap right here, we'll click on insert video. After you click on insert, then you click on insert new scene, right? And that's how you keep arranging your scenes, right? You keep arranging your scenes. So let's say you want to download the video clips so you can work on them later, probably at another time or on another platform, on another editing tool like CapCut or any video editing tool of choice. Right click on the video and you will see save video as, and then you save it on your device. If you're using your mobile phone, tap on the video right on the interface, right click on it, and then save on your device. And that's it. As you can see, it also had the features to add your voiceover directly on the platform. You can generate a voiceover with some inbuilt voices that are available on the platform. Just go ahead and enter your script and it will do it for you. You can insert image, you can record, upload, add auto captions right there on this platform. Okay, and with that, you can create a fully edited video without leaving this platform. I hope this helps. Do well to share this video with other creators, someone out there needs it. If you have any questions, can you drop them in the comment section? I'll see you in my next video.